Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video, I wanted to show you how I shape very square nails, which I actually don't do at all. But if I wanted to, this is how I would do it. All right, so these are square already, but they're not super square. I usually shape the square nails a little softer. So I'm going to show you how to make them super square. So these claws have been growing out for how many weeks now? This is at least 3 weeks, right?
No. Two?
Two? No, I think a little bit longer. No. Okay, let's put the filter on. By the way, this is the Nova Flare. I have many people asking, and it's a very good filter. Yeah. All right, so what you want to do to see the shape is you want to put the file at 90 degree angle, and you can see here. Can you see? This is not square. Do you want to see? Right?
Right.
So if you put the file at 90 degree angle and you file until the corners touch the file, right? By the way, filing back and forth is...
It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, so this is square. Some people wear the nails this square. So now I'm going to just take the edges. I'm not going to round them, but I'm just going to straighten them, okay? Like this, because they usually are just not very clean. And in this video, I won't forget to show you how I clean off the skirts underneath the nails, okay? So now, and after we shape them very square, I'm going to soften the shape because obviously, are you gonna walk around like this?
No.
So you see, it's not square, but they look square. So in order to have that soft square, what I do is I don't round the corners only, I lift the sides a little bit. This is my trick to my signature shape. All right, so let's file them. I pull the skin back. This is so weird. I never do that. Some people really like this shape. You see that a lot on Instagram. By the way, this type of shape is not very strong. I find people that have their nails very square, they tend to break them on the edges. All right, take a look. Always make sure, you know what, can we have you sit over there? Like that.
Over there.
So you want to make sure that the finger is straight, and always imagine the like a line running in the middle, and you're gonna be at 90 degree angle here and then here, right? So this is going to be a 90 degree angle with the file, and the file with the nail the other way, it's going to be a 90 degree angle. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but okay, so sitting it in the middle. So they would actually have to grow in a little bit more in order to be very square. And now you're going to have to look at them from a different angle in order to see if they are even.
They just look so ridiculous.
Are you calling my work ridiculous?
No. I'm just saying that shape on me looks
yeah, it looks
ridiculous.
Like there's something wrong with you. Sorry, guys.
I mean, there is something wrong with me. But
yeah, but other than the nails. I mean, the nails wise. Never mind. Okay, so in the middle. And again, just cleaning the edges, cleaning the sides, sorry. And now we'll see how when the hand is kind of more relaxed, how they look. So I can see that I'm going to have to lift this side a little bit. sometimes the fingers are a little uneven, especially yours.
Wow.
So, okay, I'm not gonna bother with this one. Should I bother with this one?
Yeah, do that
yeah,
one too.
Yeah.
You know what? People
So you
need
see
to know how to do the thumb.
Yeah. Okay, so imagine the line. Actually, we have the lines here, so
It helps.
it helps. They're like a grid. Grid? Grid.
Grid.
Again, bring this in a little bit, so I'm not putting pressure on the nail here. I'm just getting underneath, filing this straight, getting underneath, filing this straight. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So in order to get the skirts out, you have to wet your hands. By the way, Laurent was asking about this. It drives him crazy, one of our fantastic viewers. So you see, these are called skirts. Actually, one of our viewers taught me this as well. I never knew what it was called.
It's called skirts?
Yeah. So you can get it like this with a buffer, or when you wet the nails, the skirts come out. You have to be very careful when you're digging underneath the nails so you don't hurt your
Gland?
Yeah, or yourself.
Well, there's that too.
But the hyponychium, because the hyponychium is a seal that seals the nail plates with the nail bed together.
That does not feel
Don't
nice.
complain, my God, on live TV.
You guys see what I have to put up with?
Yeah, abuse at work.
God.
All right. So now you have square nails. Should we take
They're
a...
squared.
Yeah. Took me way too long to do this, but no, that's what happens when, you know, I stop to talk. Alrighty, guys.
So this is it. This is how you get a squared
Square
look.
shape.
Now, if you like it, let us know.
Yeah, let us know.